Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you 8 unnecessary hidden Windows 11 services which is not important for your PC. So if you disable these options, your PC will be very clean and it will boost your performance and keep your data protected and keep your RAM totally controlled. So for disabling these 8 services, so first we press Windows R, then click right here services.msc. So this type of a window will open. So first of all, find the connected Windows Excellence and Telepathy. So click on C. As you can see, C. This is a connected user experience and telemetry. So I'm not going to use this, so I can disable this. So click on properties, then startup type disabled. Okay, so the connected user experience and telemetry has been disabled. So the second one is sysmain. Click on S, then search sysmain. This is the one, sysmain. So I'm not gonna use this, so I'm going to disable this. Click on properties, that disabled, apply, and OK. And the third one is Windows search. So click on W, Windows search. I don't use Windows search. This is the Windows, so I'm not gonna use this, so I'm gonna disable this. Click on properties, then disabled. Click on OK. So Windows search has been disabled. Then the next one is fax. So I don't use fax, so I don't need this. Click on properties, click on disabled. Okay, the next one is remote registry. Click on R, remote registry. So remote registry is not important for me, so I'm gonna disable this. It's already been disabled, as you can see. So disabled and OK. Then the next one is print spoiler. Print spoiler, print spoiler. So I don't use printer options PDF, so I don't need this. So I'm gonna disable print spoiler options. Disabled. The next one is Xbox accessories. Click on Xbox accessory management service, which is required for Xbox users, so controller users. So I'm gonna disable this. I don't need this. Click on disabled. Then the last one is download maps management. Download maps management. This one is download maps. I don't use maps on my PC, so I'm going to disable this. Click on properties, click on disabled. Okay, so these are the 8 unnecessary hidden Windows background services which is using your RAMs, and it is usually slow your computer. So if you don't use this, so please disable this, and you will get the best performance of your boot option and your RAM, and it will also protect your data. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.